Hi everybody, you're now watching a pest control video. In this one you will see grey squirrels legally controlled here in the UK trying to protect the reds in our area. If you don't like this kind of thing, turn off now. Please feel free to subscribe if you like what we do and hit the notification button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Steve arrived at this feeder and this one was already sat on the top, so he's taking this shot freehand. Good shot, Stevie lad. I've clearly taught you well. Some excellent no-nonsense shooting from Steve with the FX Impact Mark II. It's a 177 and it's on a diet of JSB heavies. The last feeder went a little quiet, so Steve moved to this one. It's on the same permission, just maybe a quarter of a mile away. Very nearly a 2 for 1. A minute later, and the second one was taking a JSB heavy to the head. Watch the brain juice blow away on the wind to the right of the tree trunk. With 2 dead bodies already on the floor, the third one to come in was a little bit nervous. So all you can really do in this situation is sit and wait. Usually, the stomachs make them go to the feeder and they give you the chance of a shot. Sorry sunshine, you can't hide from Sniper Steve. This next one was a bonus as Steve was walking to another feeder. It's 11 yards away, so hence the holdover that he had to use. Apologies for the wobbliness of this next footage, but Steve's feeder was really quiet, so he decided to go for a little stalk through the woods, and it paid off. Well, that's it for this one. If you haven't subscribed already, if you would subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. There'll be lots more videos coming in the near future, so look after yourselves. Paul and Steve.